What's poppin', Jimbos? Back at it with another video. We're in the shed here. We're gonna be painting my calipers. I got Brembos from O'Reilly's for the 2014 Mustang. So we're gonna sand them down and paint them. I also got the rear caliper covers from CJ Pony Parts instead of just painting the stock ones because I think they don't look as good. This is a two-part series where we're gonna be painting the calipers in this episode, and then in the next one we're gonna be installing them on the Mustang. So stay tuned for that, and we'll show you what they look like right now.
So you're holding a baby.
So if you go to O'Reilly's and you order the Brembo track pack calipers, this is what they come looking like. They're the Fomaco Brembos. This is the front, this is the back where the bolts go up. And then it comes with a, what did I call it before?
Bleeder valve, right?
A computer valve?
Bleeder valve.
And it comes with a banjo bolt.
And it comes with a banjo guitar?
Yes, it does.
Wow, look at that nip. Nice nip.
Yeah, so we're probably gonna like tape over this.
Now we gotta set up the booth or what? We got some bricks in the kitchen, some 80 grit, and then some 180 to finish her off.
And we don't really know if that's enough, but
we'll see.
We'll see. Should I leave them black?
No. Dude, I don't know. Dude, tell us in the comments, brother.
Race, brother.
Looks like we're about to have like an eating competition. Who can eat a caliper faster?
Let's find out.
Dude, I'm gonna fucking Glock this glazy dude. I think you wanna tape off the like pistons, right? You wanna tape these off? How are we doing this, dude?
Alright, so once you've taped off all the pistons, then you can get to sanding. So we also just taped off the bleeder nipple on this side as well as this side. So once we sand them, we'll come back to you. We just hit it with the 180 grit and we found like these 5 spots on both calipers. You can see it's also on this side too. You can see these 5 spots across the top. If you went with your fingernail, you can feel it, but by the time we get to painting it, it'll be all good. So.
Alright, we're gonna hop in the booth right quick here. We're about to make a paint booth out of thin air. Alright. Oh, dude, that's sick, dude.
Now we're just gonna hang the wires and hang the Brembos and get them ready for paint.
We got some copper. We might make some coilovers out of this. Let us know in the comments if you want to set. They look like, you know, you can like adjust your height really easily. Like,
yeah, they're pretty custom.
Super cool. Look, you can be like monster truck if you want. We got the booth, and now she's wired. We're ready to make some freaking music. Check me out. Oh, oh. You gotta take the copper and put it in the holes. Numero dos.
Alright.
Alright, they're wired shut. They're imprisoned. We pulled out the Turbanski.
You see that? You see that logo? You know what that means, Wiz.
You wanna reveal the paint?
Are you going?
Yeah, you got a magic trick? It wasn't even in the frame. What the fuck was that?
This is what we went with for the caliper paint. Shout out to the guy in my comments on one of my Instagram photos. I was gonna go with teal, but he recommended this color and I don't know, it just made me rethink it. So I went with like a metallic purple. I don't know what his Instagram is, but you know who you are if you watch the videos. So I'm gonna do like 3 coats of this. I'm gonna lay the Brembo sticker down and then I'm gonna do 3 coats of clear coat.
Oh.
Just spray a coat back here just to get some paint out and get a sense of what the color's gonna look like. Oh, it's starting to drip.
Drip. Drip. Drip.
We watched Jacob Ardotti's video to just like find out all the timing and stuff, so shout out him. What did he say, Gabe? 3 coats?
Yeah, 3 coats of primer to start.
10 minutes in between?
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah,
so
that's like what you usually want to do.
Sounds good.
Damn, that's like satisfying. You don't have to go crazy because this is the starter coat. So I did an early bust, as you see. Now it's dripping, so we're gonna have to sand that down and paint it again. But since this one's good, we're gonna start the first coat of the paint. Super runny, so we're gonna have to do like light coats until it gets thick. Then hopefully it'll stop running from us.
So unfortunately, this is like duplicate color coat. I don't know if this is necessarily the best thing I could use, but the options for duplicolor caliper paint is very minimal. They didn't have purple. They only had yellow and red, and I didn't really want to do like the basic colors that everyone else does. So we'll see how this works.
If it doesn't work, fuck it. We'll fucking sandblast it. All the paint off.
Powder coated by someone.
Yeah, just like that. Beautiful. All right, that's good. That's good. See, the first coat you want to get like everywhere, but you don't want to just overdo it, because then it'll start running. That's when you get like the spots. Damn, that just looks like kind of visually appealing.
You see the difference here? if you're focusing here and you just spray across, then it won't run. But if you're just holding it down, then this is what the effect looks like.
Yeah, we scientists. Alright, we got a few coats down on the purple. It's looking good. Just like what, one or two more layers?
Yeah, probably 1 or 2.
Yeah, you gotta get that. So it's all purple, but yeah, these are gonna look nice. And so with this one, we're almost done fixing it. I'd say just like a little spray on top, then we'll be good.
After this, we're gonna put the sticker, and then we're gonna do the clear coat over the sticker. Jim Bub's going at it. There's a few places that I guess you couldn't really see till you laid down the primer. Feels smooth, that's all that matters, even if it looks like shit. So we're gonna lay down another coat, maybe 2, and start to get it to look like this. And as you can see, this all looks pretty nice. I'm gonna lay down another coat because I got a few more spots, like in there, down here, just behind the bleeder valve that's taped off. Both sides looking pretty good, so let's lay down another coat. Just pass by it, you know? Pass by your old auntie's house, give her a little spray.
Give her a little kiss.
Give her a little kiss, and then, you know, keep on moving by. This one's about done, so we're gonna throw on the Brembos in a second. We're just gonna get started with the first coat.
Obviously, this is the front, so this is what you want to look at. It's gonna look more glossy with the clear coat too, so. It's beautiful.
Just so you know, guys, we got all this stuff at Home Depot, so you can pretty much do this at your house. Like, anyone can do this. It's pretty DIY. This roll, I think, was like 15 bucks. I still have a lot of it left. That's what we used to, you know, cover the whole shed. The Duplicolor, all the paint I got on Amazon. I also got these sanding blocks at Home Depot. They work pretty well. This was 80 grit and 180. I also got a bunch of sandpaper on Amazon, so we just cut it up into these little pieces towards the end because we didn't really need it. We just needed the really fine pieces. So we just peeled this off the backing, and now there's just the letters on this side, so we're gonna place it on there and then peel this part back, and it should be on the brakes, hopefully.
Alright, give me that help.
It's like right there. Oh, fuck, I'm so scared. Hope that's good. Let me try peeling it off.
Yeah, pull it off. Yeah, that's super stuck on there.
Good.
Oh. I'd go slower than that. Kinda looks sick. But also not ideal. Fuck, dude. We're gonna have to take that off. We got that little troubled caliper all sanded down a bunch. You know, this is good enough. Couple coats of primer and then start the paint again.
Let that sit for a sec, let it dry, do 3 coats of this again, and then this caliper should have, you know, approximately 15 coats on it, so.
It's all fixed up. Back to purple. Damn, looks dope in the camera. Obviously, we gotta order a new Brembo sticker, so we're gonna wait till those come in. I'll put those on and then gonna clear coat it. We finally got the rear covers in today, so now we're gonna paint them. Same procedure as the front calipers. Change of plans. So we're gonna do some custom paint work. The front brakes obviously are purple with the black Brembo stickers. So we're gonna try to paint the 5.0 in black. So we're gonna let these like heal for a day or two and then see what we can do. Back at it.
Like a crack addict.
Does look kind of sick. Look at that artistry. So we just got the first one taped up. Looks really good. So I'm gonna go hang this while he finishes that. Put this MF'er to death. Come on.
Alrighty guys, so we taped them off. Let's get to unwrapping. Hopefully
everything's good. Alright. It looks really good actually.
Alrighty, so we got these decals from eBay. Pretty much they're just Brembo stickers. Here are the rears, but these are smaller. These are for the 4-piston, these are for the 6-piston, but they're bigger, so we're just putting the 6-piston ones on the 4-piston. I do it every year myself.
A-Rod.
No, but I clean the gutters by myself.
Why is it $10,000?
Oh shit, is the paint peeling up? I think the paint just peeled up. I think it's all flat.
And I still want to do the yard. I can still do the
Yes.
yard.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. I had a feeling.
Around me are familiar faces.
Well, we got the Beats pill. Never mind.
I don't recommend this fan.
We're on to the clear coat
Clear coat.
on these puppies.
The test
Pre-nut.
sprays.
I am here with the finished caliper. As you saw a little bit ago, we messed up the other purple one, so we had an idea. Let me show you that idea. This is the one we fucked up for the second time, or it's the second one we messed up, I don't remember. But we're now painting it red instead of the purple, because the purple is running out and it's painting the ass. So we're gonna paint one of the rears purple, obviously, so the left side. So this is the red side on the right side. So once this is done, we're gonna put the sticker on again. We actually have white stickers this time, and then we can install them. We ended up painting the rear calipers as well. The covers ended up not fitting great. One clip on the top was actually rubbing on the rotor, which is no good, and a bunch of reviews said they're bad, so we ended up painting this. So as you see, it's primered, but on this one we're actually going to be painting it red. We'll see how it looks. We just pulled all the tape off, don't mind that, and bags and stuff. So oh wait, you like that? Bag life. Looks so good with the new rotors. But on this side, dude, oh, that looks sick. Huh? Oh. Oh my god.
How do you get that off?
It'll come off. It'll come off. It just looks like the bright color looks good on the disc. I can't wait to see how the fronts look.
Is that paint?
Yeah, it's dripped from the black when they painted it black. This ain't nothing.
Sure, we did not use black.
Ain't nothing.
Alright, we're
Pyro.
back in business with the white stickers.
Oh! That looks pretty good in the camera.
It's pretty much done. They're kind of like coming up, or they were, but
You just put them flat.
I have to like keep rolling it down.
Yeah. Oh, there you go,
That
buddy.
looks OEM, bro.
You know how we put the black sticker on the purple caliper? We're gonna try to put this white one on there.
The contrast is just too
Really
it's
dark.
too dark, especially with it being like in the wheel well. It's like always in the shade, so it's impossible to see the letters. If you Google like Brembo caliper, you'll notice that like 80% of the pictures are all white stickers. So
Yeah, we didn't even know that.
hella glare.
Oh, I see what you mean. Oh yeah, yeah.
Calm down, Billies. Everybody, calm down.
This is not an emergency.
It's actually not a drill.
This is a warning.
This is
Or
an emergency.
oh shit. This is not a drill. Bink. Damn, look how much better it looks white. Should I send it? Yeah. Looks good.
Nice, man.
Finish that up. We're gonna go paint the red one.
See me spray the bug?
Look good, bro. So that's it for painting the calipers. We're gonna let these dry and then install them tomorrow. So you'll either see that in this video or the next one. But until either one of those, what should they do? What should they do until then?
Hit the bell.
Check out our OnlyFans account. We post nude pics of the whips, you know, without the top and stuff. So watch that. Squilly the Jimmy, and we'll see you in a mini. What? Rip.